Another review, guys, of my KD 580. This is KD 580 Pegasus. So another test flight and review. You know, guys, I have fewer RC plane today because some of my RC plane are already broken. So I am reviewing, as you will notice, I am reviewing and flying my RC plane sometimes multiple times due to the lack of inventory of my fleet. But anyway, I'm having fun, and somehow, though I am lacking some RC plane, this is very important, guys, because I just want to continue uploading videos here in my YouTube channel. So please forgive my channel if you see I'm using multiple times. I mean, I'm flying multiple times with my RC plane. That is so over and over again. Yeah, this is sometimes I find it difficult to find the sequence of how to bind this toy. So yeah, so this is only I mean, the package come only with the single battery. So and sometimes I'm using the battery from my RC helicopter, which is a bit closer when it comes to amperage, a bit closer to the stock battery of this, which is the stock battery of this is 1000 milliamperes, 3.7 volts, and the stock battery for my RC helicopter, which is closer to this, is 800 milliamperes, right? So I think I don't want to use the let's see, I'm gonna use the ground for takeoff because it's nice ground, asphalted. So KD 580 for channel, guys. Let's go, let's see. Yeah, nice. Oh, nice. Smooth as usual, guys. So this is already a multiple review. I mean, I already flying this for many times already. Several times already. Too far. Ooh. Wow, nice. I wanna try the aerobatics. Delayed gratification, guys. It's worrisome because it reacts late to the aerobatics, to the one key aerobatic button. So a bit dangerous and worrisome. Yeah. Eh. Eh. Oh no. You almost hit the lamppost na naman. Yeah, twist. Yeah, baby, twist. Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's fun. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I almost hit na naman the lamppost. Yeah. Nice. Nice pass. Ooh. Come on. Ah. Fast. Yeah, this one is a fast aircraft, guys. Though it operates only, it runs only, it flies only on 3.7 volts. However, the advantage of this is that it has a brushless motor on board, so more powerful than the brush ones, though 3.7 battery. Nice flyer, especially like today, very calm, sunny and calm, very nice. No noise, very quiet. Very quiet RC plane. Oh. Mm. Nice. Nice. Very fun to fly, guys. If you are looking for fun and if you are into a RC airplane, I think I highly recommend this one. And it's better if you get the extra battery, because it's more fun when you have like more than one batteries. Can fly longer. You're gonna stretch your fun of flying. Ooh. Nice. 3.7 volts, 1000 milliamperes. Flight time, I am not sure yet. Maybe 10 minutes. 5 10 minutes, 12 maximum, maybe like that, give or take. I think I'm gonna land na, or not yet. He really wants to land already. Yeah, land. I think I already have consumed the come on, come on. Oof, that's a serious crash. I see. Come on. Oh yeah. Come on. Oof. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna use this orientation. It's more convenient. Uy, too fast. Uh, too fast. Too fast to land. Come on. Come on, come on. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Nice landing. I love the landing.